Hello everyone, welcome to another quick learning tutorial video. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create vertical videos using iMovie like this one. You can then upload these vertical videos to YouTube as shorts or any other similar social media platforms. The iMovie version that I'm using in this video is 10.3.8. For this video tutorial, we will be using this video clip that I have recorded vertically using my iPhone. The clip content is about how to create the flag of Italy on a 3x3 puzzle cube. Let's first create a new app preview instead of a typical landscape new movie project. You can easily do this by going to the File option of the iMovie app and select New App Preview. iMovie will create a new project for you, like so. Let's first give this project a name. Let's import our vertical video into our new iMovie project. Now, the next step is important. If you have multiple videos which include landscape videos, make sure that the first video that you drop onto the timeline here must be a vertical video. Otherwise, your project will be set to the typical landscape orientation. Alright. Let's insert our vertical video onto the timeline. You can see that the preview window on the right is vertical. To confirm, you can go to Settings, and you'll see that our project is set to 1080 by 1920, which is for vertical videos. Next, we'll do some basic editing to our vertical video. Say, for our video clip, I would like to add a text display on the video to show the name of the country I'm making. To do that, we can simply go to Titles and select one of the title options. If you need more title options, you can copy from a landscape iMovie project and paste it here. Alright, let's choose this color bar fade movable title. We'll move the text bar to somewhere at the bottom of our video clip. Next, we'll change the background color to maroon. And finally, we'll type the text onto the title. That's it. Our text editing is done. Another cool feature of iMovie is you can add an image on top of your video. So for our video clip, let's add the flag of Italy to the video so that our audience can compare the flag created on the puzzle cube to the actual flag of Italy. Alright, let's import our flag into our iMovie project. Then, we'll put it onto our timeline and place it on top of our video clip. To edit our flag image, first, we'll go to the cropping option and change our flag image to fit. Next, go to the video overlay settings and change it to picture in picture. Finally, we can move the flag of Italy to somewhere near to the top of our video clip. Alright, our image editing is done. Now let's export our video from iMovie. So this is the vertical video that we have created in iMovie. If you'd like to see the full shorts video on how to create the flags of India, Italy and Japan, you can click on the link on the top right, and I'll also leave the link in the descriptions. I hope this quick learning tutorial on how to make vertical videos using iMovie is useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.